Hello, welcome to the short lesson about classifying triangles by their angles. Let's begin. Triangles have 3 angles. Luckily for us, there are also 3 different categories we can sort them into. There are right, obtuse, and acute triangles. Let's begin with understanding right triangles. For a triangle to be right, it must have a 90-degree angle. Whether that triangle is small, large, or rotated, as long as it has a 90-degree angle inside it, the triangle is a right triangle. Next, let's have a look at obtuse triangles. To be obtuse, a triangle has to have an angle larger than 90 degrees. Whether that triangle is small, large, or rotated, as long as it has one obtuse angle, it is an obtuse triangle. Finally, let's review acute triangles. To be acute, a triangle has to have all angles smaller than 90 degrees. As long as all of the angles of a triangle are acute, then that means the triangle is acute as well. And there you have it. Now you know how to classify triangles by their angle measurements. I hope this video helped you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.